Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry your password was incorrect, please double check your password issue on Instagram. So guys, if you're trying to log in your account but you're facing this problem and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically to fix the sorry your password was incorrect error on Instagram, you must bypass the glitch by requesting a password reset and clearing your app cache. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to forget password and try to reset your password of your Instagram account first. So guys, reset your password and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply clear your app cache or update your app to the latest version. So guys, for that you have to simply go to your app store and delete your app for one time and then reinstall the app on your device as well. So guys, for that search for Instagram and then download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device first. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to any browser and then check your Instagram account on any web browser. So guys, go to a web browser and check your Instagram if it is working properly or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, or change your internet connection for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to Instagram support section and then you have to simply ask for help from the Instagram team. So guys, after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.